What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Subdivisional Officer SDO Kapan Ursula Civil Subdivision Hagakat Nyo Trik Nailur Klapan mi ya ka hukum ka bakhang persya iki kali he bakinya lingba ka surok Shillong Dawki namar ka jingtwa kendo ka bajur ka bala penjulor no ya ka benta jo ka surok Hadawki West Giant Hills District. Lakhang persya ya kalit kawan jugi kali he kentup ya kitrok kit mar bat ki bas kit ba ki bayat lingba nalad siem ter shadu ka jaka basyakta Hadawki tat hadu benda pendap ya ka jing pentre bala kentu ban ai ka jingetre lang halur ka di ka benta tat hadu benda penbena dakum wepan. Kumju na kalyang ka SDO Civil Amnaram Subdivision kalapan mi ya ka jing penbena ba namar ka jingtwa kendo Hadawki voting point kumta lakhang persya iki kali he bakinya lingba ka ning surok nakabenta ka jingshan jo kinonglait nongwan bat khnang baka naman ra shu ka jingjulor.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.